Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Stop. Today, I'm doing neither. Today, I'm going to fry. Check this out. I get a call from a friend of mine named MeatHead. He asking me that I get my invite to, I guess these people, they put together this little hamburger challenge. And he said, AB, did you get your invite? I said, no. I said, not that I know of. So I went outside, checked my mailbox, nothing there. Checked my phone to see if I had any missed calls. And then he tells me he didn't get one either. So after he and I started talking maybe about 10, 15 minutes, decided to come up with his own epic burger challenge. Rules are no beef, no ground steak, none of that. You know what? You got to substitute the meat, do something exotic, you know what, and make your own epic burger. So I told MeatHead, look, I'm up for the challenge. So here we go. So this is going to be my version. You read the title. This is my version of a shrimp burger. This will be epic. And so let me hurry up and let's get this in. All right, here's the star of my burger. Look, we got some shrimp. I've already peeled them. You know, I bought them deveined and peeled already. I went ahead and took off the tail. Got the shrimp, some green onion. Man, these some nice healthy green onions right here. Look at these. Red onion. So I'll be using this sriracha mayo. This is my favorite. You've probably seen this in some of my past videos. Then right here, we got this Louisiana tartar sauce. I use this just as a base, just a little bit. Gotta have that Tony's Creole seasoning. This that chili garlic sauce. Hey, look, check it out. Plastic bottle. Corn starch. And plain Panko chips. This right here, this is the way to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix my ingredients together so I can hurry up and get my epic shrimp burger going so you guys can be the judge. just seen how I prepare and make this epic double shrimp burger. Look, you know what, here, let me show y'all one more time. You know what I mean? There it is right there. This right here came out awesome. Listen, my mouth is watering. So I'll put in the iCard over here on this side and in the description box below for those that participated in this epic other than beef burger. You know it. I guess let's go ahead and just call it a challenge. You know what I mean? So again, there's my entry. There you can see I did what you call an epic double shrimp burger. Listen, you can see how big it is. This is not one of them burgers that you can just really like get it. When I squeeze it, it's gonna ooze the sauce that I made. You know what I mean? So this right here is what you call a knife and fork burger. And before I tear this burger up, I'm getting ready to shoot my thumbnails and we're gonna go from there. So listen, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this video, share, check out the other participants' videos. And other than that, hey, I'm out. Peace.